Stand up, take a right turn, inhale and do the namaskara. Join your hands and then raise your hand and exhale. Inhale and go backward, doing Ardha Chandrasana. And then slowly exhale and do the forward bend, Padahastasana. Your fingers will touch the ground. Then keep your left leg within your hands. Try to stretch your right leg as much as you can. Exhale and look upward. Join your both legs. And stretch your body towards your leg into Parvatasana. Then slowly move forward into Ashtanga Namaskara. Your chin, palm, chest, knees and toes will touch the ground. Your hips will remain elevated. Then go forward and do Bhujangasana. Now stretch your body towards your leg and do Parvatasana again. This time keep your right leg within your hands and try to stretch your left leg as much as you can and look upward. Then join your both legs and come into Padahastasana. Then slowly stand up, raise your hand, inhale and go backward into Ardha Chandrasana. Exhale and back into position. Join your hands and do the Namaskar again. Take left turn. Open your hands and relax.